In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your 2019 to 2020 Hyundai Elantra. It's a very easy process, only takes about 3-4 minutes. So let's go ahead and get started. Open up the passenger side door. Now that's the glove box right there. We need to open up the glove box and get it out of the way. So open it up. On the side there, that's where the dampener arm is. Pull that arm out. You can push it in to get it out of the way. Now there are two clips which are holding the glove box in place. One over there, and the second one's over there. In order to get the clips off, all you have to do is push the glove box in a little bit, twist it left, and out it comes. Same process for the other one. Push the glove box in slightly, twist it left, out it comes. Now the glove box is going to open up and we can now access the cabin air filter. That's the access panel right there. So press it on one end there, then on the other end there's a clip as well. So press it and get the access cover off. Done. Now that's the cabin air filter there. It clearly states that the airflow goes from top to bottom. Now get one finger in there, press it, it's flexible, and then slide the old cabin air filter out. This one is pretty dirty, right? Let's take a look at it. See all that dirt and debris on it? Let's take a closer look at that clean fabric there. See a little fold, the white fabric? Yeah, that's what the clean filter should look like. And all the other stuff, that's dirt and debris around it. So this filter does do its job, but it's very dirty. Now, get the new one. The way the filter works is unfiltered air comes from the top, all the dirt gets collected on the top, and filtered air goes to the blower motor and then into the car. So it's a rectangular shape. So align the filter correctly, and then let's slide it in. And in it goes. Now let's put the access cover back on, get it in place, push it on one end, clip. Now on the other end, done. That's good. Push the glove box in, put one clip on, and it should go on easily like this. It's in. That's good. Twist it right, locked in place. Same process for the other one. Get it in there. Make sure it's sitting well, like that. And now twist it right, locked, done. However, what we are still missing is the dampener arm, which is the first thing we took off. Right there, yep, get it out. Pull it out, put it back on. And now push it in. And that's it. Now the glove box works the way it should. See how easy the whole process was? That's pretty much it.